Bonjour. Yes, I'm walking through the streets of Boussac on my way to my friend, since 1983, and also my online French tutor, Therese, and Stevie's house, which they recently bought here in Boussac. Now, Therese is busy preparing for this evening's dinner party, and before I take you on an updated house tour of my own home in Chalet, I will show you their house. Okay, here we are at Therese and Stevie's place, and let me introduce you to them. Over here we have Therese.
Enchanté, bonjour, hello.
Hello. And Stevie.
Hello. Nice to see you.
And today, for tonight's dinner party, Therese is going to do a soup l'oignon, French onion soup. Therese, tell us quickly,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Well, it's the first time that I'm using this particular pot
Okay.
or casserole, so I see it's quite hot. I first fry the onions very slowly, but it seems like with the gas hot,
Yeah.
it's quite fast.
Yes, it will be quicker.
Yes, but it's a lot of onions because that's my main dish tonight.
Right.
I'm South African, and in South Africa I also make the onion soup, but it seems a lot of my pot. Oh, it's quite a lot of onions this morning.
Yeah,
I
that's
thought
great.
that we didn't have enough onions, so I sent Stevie to the local supermarket to buy more onions. And I think we can invite more guests for tonight, because
Okay. We
this
are
was
how?
supposed to be for 7 people.
Okay, so it's for 7.
But I think, yeah, it's going to be
Okay. So you just put in the onion with butter?
with butter, but because the butter can also burn, I use a little bit of olive oil.
Right.
And I like to use Morgenster olive oil. Not supposed to advertise it because I bring it from South Africa.
Right.
And it's my favorite olive oil, so I always pack in a bottle or two
Sure.
for France.
Yes.
Not that you do not get good olive oils here, but I love my Morgenster olive oil.
Okay.
And first frying it very slowly, more braising.
Okay. And you have that beautiful bust there at the back? And
When we bought the house from a very good friend here, Bardine. It was in the house. So basically a lot of the
Beautiful.
furniture in the house, all the furniture was here. And yes, when I saw the bust, I thought, well, I love this little place. It's a very small house with lots of stairs. And with
Yes.
somebody with an ankle problem, it's not ideal, but we never see problems, we only see solutions.
Great. Stevie, are you the sous chef today?
I am, I think, more the chopper upper today than the sous chef. Now, the reason I cook together quite often, we both love cooking,
Right,
and onion soup is legendary.
right.
Really, really good.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yes,
Oh, the pressure's on now.
The
Yes,
pressure is always
it's on.
And just to get back to the bust, Leon, I am of the opinion that every French house needs a bust of Marianne,
Okay, who's Marianne?
our guest in the kitchen that you just
Okay.
pointed out. Our brown or rust-colored bust in the background.
Usually, I fry the bacon and the garlic first, but I'm of course not an actress, and I was quite nervous doing this.
No, you're doing fine.
Very anti-participating in my old friend's video, but he's here for the weekend, and I could see he wanted to film something. But the better cooks in this town are in fact the other South Africans here, so I'm quite nervous for tonight because we have very, very good cooks in Boussac.
Well, this smells divine.
Well, I hope so.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Yes. It's
And you said that the onion soup will be the main course?
onion soup. We're first going to have champagne
Yes.
and homemade quiches, which I must make later, and definitely not for filming.
Okay. Okay.
And we'll have the little quiches there. In fact, I wish the table was bigger, that I could invite some other friends here in Boussac, but tonight
No, let's
two
keep it a
couples
small
and
group.
Leon. And I counted yesterday, I counted the forks, didn't have enough forks, so I quickly went to my friend Chic, bought 2 forks there, and I asked Leon to, when we first decided we're going to make onion soup, and then I realized, well, we didn't have enough spoons, so Leon cleaned some spoons and he brought some spoons.
Yes, well, now you've got your own.
Yes, and then when I went to buy the forks at Sunel's shop, I said, oh, rather give me my own spoons, and yeah.
Yeah, now you have it.
Yeah, so we usually invite people before we decide what to cook, and
Right.
if we have enough utensils, because this would be officially as owners of the house the first time that I cook here. Yeah, it's the first time that I cook here. I also have a modern induction plate.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm a city girl.
Well, while you're cooking, I'm going to show the people your beautiful little house. Is that okay?
That's okay, but careful certain corners, because the house.
No, don't worry, I'll only show them the good parts.
And then I worry afterwards, or what?
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks, Leon.
Stevie, when was this house built?
Leon, as far as we know, it was built in the 16th century.
Okay.
As you can see, the staircase, the bottom half of the staircase is ancient.
Yeah.
An historian in Boussac informed our neighbor that most of these houses were built with the ruined stones or leftover stones after the previous church was destroyed during the 100-year war between
Okay.
England and France. So
Wow.
I don't have an exact date, but it's inside the ramparts of the town, and it's very old. Very old.
Great. Okay, Therese is still busy cooking